Bioluminescence, nature's living light spectacle. Imagine a world where light isn't just from the sun or a bulb, but from living creatures themselves. Have you ever wondered how fireflies glow, or what illuminates the deepest parts of the ocean? Get ready to have your mind blown as we dive into the incredible spectacle of bioluminescence, nature's very own light show. Your imagination will take you to a fascinating world where bioluminescence, the ability of living organisms to emit light, is one of nature's most magical phenomena. This cold light is the result of a biochemical reaction. A molecule called luciferin interacts with oxygen in the presence of the enzyme luciferase, releasing energy that is converted into light. Bioluminescence occurs most often in the depths of the sea, where sunlight no longer penetrates, so its own light is vital for survival. Deep sea dwellers, many species of fish, jellyfish, squid, and tiny plankton use light. Its functions are diverse. Communication and mating. Species-specific flashing patterns help individuals find each other. Fireflies also use light codes for this purpose. Defense. They can suddenly flash to confuse predators or serve as an alarm to draw attention to an attacker. Foraging. Some deep-sea fish, for example anglerfish, use luminous bait to lure prey to them. Luminous plankton dinoflagellates. These tiny unicellular organisms emit a spectacular neon blue glow in response to mechanical stimuli, such as waves or movement, making beaches and bays magical at night. This phenomenon is sometimes called marine glow. On land, the best known are fireflies, but there are also luminous fungi and some beetles. Although it may seem strange at first, the visual experience of bioluminescence can be deeply connected to feelings of calm and relaxation, natural wonder and immersion, organic, soft, and rhythmic light, such as that of fireflies or luminous plankton, creates a meditative, surreal atmosphere. The shimmering, ethereal sight helps to distract from everyday stress and draws the viewer into the observation of a peaceful natural phenomenon. Blue and green hues. Most bioluminescent light falls into the calming blue and green spectrum. These colors are common in nature's sky, water, plants, and have long been known to have a calming effect on the human psyche, helping to reduce heart rate and blood pressure. The calming power of the ocean. Observing bioluminescent waters is often associated with moonless nights at the beach. The slow movement of the water and the blue, rippling light combine to create a calming experience that is one of the most natural forms of stress relief and relaxation. Observing such a pure, untouched wonder of nature awakens a deep-rooted sense of peace within. In short, bioluminescence is not only a fascinating biochemical process, but also a visual journey that takes us into the darkest corners of nature and allows us to calmly immerse ourselves in the mysterious and brilliant wonders of our Earth.